Hi everyone, I'm Jennifer with Preventus, and I'm going to share some makeup ideas for summer, specifically for Stampede, one of my favorite times of year. We get a lot of patients that come in and they just don't know what to do for the summer and their makeup, so that's why I'm here. I think the summer, the biggest thing, the focus should be beautiful skin. So we want to make sure that we're starting off with good, clean skin. We've got our vitamin C, and of course, the must-have for summer is SPF. This is one of my favorites, the Ultra MD. Now, I like to let my SPF just sink in a little bit before I apply my primer and foundation. So the next thing I'm going to do is apply my Jane Iredale Illuminating Glow Primer. We just like a nice glowy bronze look for summer. You want that, I just spent the day out in the sun without actually spending the day out in the sun and getting all the sun damage. But I love this primer because it gives like a really nice glow from underneath your foundation. Then I'm going to go in with my foundation. So when choosing your foundation for the summer, I like to go with something a little bit more sheer. I have some redness and some blemishes on my face and some broken capillaries, but I don't want to look like I have so much foundation. I want you to be able to see the skin underneath. So I'm going to go in very lightly with that, and then I'm going to use a concealer just to go over any areas of concern. Then we've got these great Glow Time sticks for the cheek. And I like to look like I've got just a nice kind of sun-kissed look, so I think I'm going to go with this color. The Jane Iredale products will also help absorb some of the extra oils that you have. Even though your foundation might have an SPF factor, it's still very important through the summer, actually every month in the year, to be wearing your SPF underneath. It's great if your makeup does have SPF with it as well. You're just getting that extra bit of protection, but you want to make sure that you have your SPF on first. For bronzer, you just kind of want to think about where the sun naturally hits your face. So the top of your forehead, down your nose, the top of your cheekbones, maybe a little down here. Now for eyes. I like to go in with like a bone color for the entire lid. Then I'm going to use this palette. It's a contour, highlight, and cheek palette, but I'm actually going to use this for my eyeshadow. I'm going to take this bronzy color. And I'm going to give my lash line a little definition by just a simple brown eyeliner. So I'm going to go in with just a little bit more blush. I like this kind of peachy, it's got a little bit of a shimmer. The next thing I love for summer is a lip stain. I like the idea of having color on my lips and not having to reapply lipstick all the time. And then everyone loves a gloss. Now, if you're feeling like you're not bronzed enough, these Glow Time sticks also have a highlighter. I don't want to look like a glazed donut, but I do like a little shimmer. There you go. You can play around with the colors, do a lighter lip, more of a bronze, and then if you're finding through the day, you need to top up on your SPF. We have these great SPFs, this mineral SPF of 50 from Color Science, and they're super handy and great to keep in your pocket for Stampede all throughout summer on the golf course. You can just reapply as you need. And then you're almost ready for Stampede, but just wait. Now you're ready. Have a safe and fun Stampede.